Hey class. Hey, today is January 4th, 2021. It's kind of weird to say the 2021, but we're out of 2020. Hey, for today, we're going to keep it pretty basic, pretty simple, as far as the video goes. We're not going to do anything from the book, but I do want to jump in, and I would like to do some writing today. Okay, so right here in your Canvas account, you're going to see on today's date, January 4th, 2021, um, I want you to write a detailed description of your holiday break. Okay, so I want you to be detailed with it. Okay, share with me the highs and lows of your break. And when you're talking about specific things, give me some detail. Don't just say the best part was I hung out with family. Well, what did you do with family? For example, I with my family, I did a lot with family, but um, my parents rented a cabin. We hung out for 3 days, played games, we went sledding. The kids hung out in the hot tub. Uh, you know that type of stuff. Okay, be specific with it. Um, One thing we did is we watched videos from way back when we were little kids. My mom found these old videos and we watched them. Um, okay, so I want you to be specific with what you did. Other things that I did, my wife's family, her parents decided to get a hotel room where there was a swimming pool with like a slide that goes into the swimming pool. That was one thing that we did. Because they knew my kids would love it. So they did that. Talk about your Christmas Day. Talk about Christmas Eve. Talk about New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. What did you guys do? New Year's Eve, I was so stinking tired because that's right when my mom and family left from the cabin, and we went and basically we went home and just chilled out. And I was asleep well before uh, the new year. So anyway, so I want you to be specific with what you write. Okay, what were the good things? What were the bad things? For me, the bad things were I I was just so busy I didn't have time to be at home. You know, we still our Christmas tree's still up. Okay, that's I'll just admit that because we were so busy, we didn't have time to really take care of the things at home, and that always bugs me a little bit. But anyway, so hopefully we can get back on track and get our house back in order and get things squared away. So anyway, that's what I want you guys to do today is write in this little text entry. Get it turned in. Tell me about your best parts and worst parts. We had to do a lot of cleaning for the properties that we manage. It was kind of stressful at times, things like that. So let's just be detailed and work hard at it. Um, let's make sure that we jump on. Just really quick, I'm going to jump over here. I want to see. There we go. Let's take a look at our report. Okay. Student application obviously was way down right here because we were out of break. Okay. Let's get it back up. Okay. Let's get up to 12 to 15 minutes. Get back in that range. That will be right here. So that will shoot us back up. That'll be a positive thing. And then also, all right, so December, good. We barely beat November's goal. October, let's beat it. Okay, that means you guys got to be taking quizzes. You got to be working hard. Okay, so let's make sure we spend plenty of time with our reading. Let's get from just under 62,000 to 105,000. Okay, words. Okay, that means everybody's got to be reading. Everybody's got to take quizzes, and you've got to pass quizzes. Okay, if we can get there, let's get up there. We'll do something fun at the end of the month. Okay, so let's get from 62 to 105. All right, sound great? Good. I heard you all answer, and you said, yes, Mr. Calder, that sounds like a plan. Okay? So let's work hard at it. Be productive. Okay? Don't worry about anything, turning in anything from the book today. Let's just jump on, get this finished up, and then we'll do student application and reading today. So hope you guys are all well. Hope you're staying healthy. It's good to be back in school. Even though you guys might disagree with me, it is good to be back. So, all right. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks so much.